so soon.
Willow. Not good.
Oh, Ricky got it. Wait for Wrigley. No, no. Okay. She's just used to me doing it because I do most of it. Oh, yeah.
Willow.
Earlier when I was doing the short, it worked out really well because, oh, Wrigley's back and he still caught it. That was cute. What are you chewing on now, Wrigley? How did you find a snack? I don't know what the dogs are gonna do. So earlier I was doing it with Wrigley, and Wrigley got the ball. But then Willow found the other ball that Wrigley had gotten earlier. And so that was their short for the day.
Drop it.
For the day. Wrigley's not even going for the ball anymore. Wrigley, what are you chewing?
Probably a second round.
No, I don't know what that is. Wrigley, leave it. Leave it, Wrigley. That doesn't look like food. She's so confused. Well, you're not even playing. Oh, you're playing steal the stick? I can't believe you stole his stick. Oh, Wrigley waits for this one. What is that? It looks like a piece of pretzel or something.
Willow, come. Willow. Willow, come. Come. I can't get it.
She can't use it move forward. There you go. Get the camera. Oh, look at the waggy tail.
It's fine.
Willow, you lost the ball.
Wrigley took it.
She didn't. She just stopped running for it.
Willow, come.
I know, we need to get you guys
Come.
better material for the yard now. You will. What the hell? What's that throw?
Willow was in the way. No. She likes her morning fetch. Willow.
My hope is that a lot of people like watching her play morning fetch. It's kind of relaxing, you know? It's like the other relaxing videos. Ricky got it. That's his favorite ball. So here it goes. Oh, she's coming back with another one?
Willow.
No, she left again. Oh, poor thing. You okay, Willow? Oh, I know you can sometimes run right into it. Oh, but Ricky came up.
Oh,
Oh, he
that's a
thought that was
heavy
one of
ball.
my favorite balls. That one looks like the rubber one, but it's not. It's not.
I know.
Willow. Yes, we did. Willow, come. Somebody leave food out there or something? I wonder if somebody tossed them food. I hope not, because I don't know what it is.
Willow, come.
Oh, you just left it behind. Let's lift that one. Willow ball. Oh, I didn't know it speak. I guess they probably all speak with their dog toys. I think you bit Wrigley instead of the ball. Where's the ball? What happened to the
Wrigley's
ball?
just waiting there.
Wrigley doesn't like having to go up and down and up and down. They're really bad at this morning. Oh, is she gonna get her original one? She got it? Yay!
Aww. Was that one with the balls she came with? Willow,
Yeah, that's her
drop
original
it.
ball. That's a conch.
Oh, tough competition.
Oh, Wrigley got it. I was like, dang it, where'd it go? Wrigley got it. He's got to parade it around. Then he's gonna drop it and walk away.
No, or he's
Oh, you
gonna
get
choose.
two on it? There, fine. We got two more, Willow. I'll go. Oh, you bounced it off of another ball. What? You find a different ball? What is going on? That was a short round. She
All right,
usually-
one more.
Maybe she's gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay, let's let her go.
No, we don't know what she needs to do.
It's the final one.
Oh, there she got her original
Aw.
ball. She wanted that one. She
Willow.
wanted her ball. Oh, you dropped it off the edge. Now you gotta go get it. You want me to go get it? And she's like, please, Daddy. That's one of your favorites, and this is one of your favorites. Here, Alex did this one.
Yeah. Oh, oh.
There we go.
It's by the big one.
You don't think your ball is gone? Oh, there's another dog over there.
Okay.
Or something.
That's
Or at least you think there. I think it's a car. I know those car noises are so.
okay.
Here, one more.
Oh, there is.
It was by my feet. Stop shaking the whole thing. Don't do that anymore.
Okay.
Oh, she's going to pee.
Wait.
Pee break. There you go. She didn't want that one. Is that it?
Yep.
All right. That's round one.